Hello, good morning, everybody. Students, now we have to start the new syllabus of 12th standard mathematics. The first chapter of the second section, that is nothing but the differentiation. In this chapter, we have to discussing about the various derivatives of the given function. We are already discussing the 11th standard, that is differentiation is the nothing but the process. If you have to find out the derivative of the given function, the process of finding the derivative of the given function is called differentiation. And now in the 11th standard we are already discussing about the definition of the derivative. That is, if we know that is if x and x plus h belongs to the domain of function f, and if the limit of as h tends to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x upon h, if that limit is exist, then the function f is said to be differentiable or derivable at x. That means if the given function satisfies this condition, that is the limit exists in the given function, then we can say that the given function is a derivable function or differentiable, and this limit is called to be derivative of function f at the point x, and that function is denoted by f dash of x, or which is also denoted by dy by dx, which are to be discussing in the last year, and that derivative is given as f dash of x equal to limit of as h tends to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. This formula is called to be the first principle of derivatives. That is very important formula, because by the help of that formula we can find out the derivative of the any function. We have to also discussing in the 11th standard, that is the derivative of given function f of x with respect to x at point, particularly point x equal to a is given as, that is f dash of a equal to limit of h tends to 0 of f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Here we have taken the same formula of first principle, but the derivative has to be taken at a particular point x equal to a, and therefore we have to take the instead of x we have to put the a, and therefore that is become limit of h tends to 0 of f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. This is the derivable formula which are to be used to find out the derivative out of particularly point x equal to a. Also the general formula which we be already discussing in the last definition, that is f dash of x as limit of x f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. And the last one, that is the Leibniz notation, that is if delta x and delta y be the increment in x and y respectively, then the incrementary ratio of delta y by delta x as the limit of as delta x tends to 0, then that limit is called to be an derivative which can be denoted by dy by dx. Here we are taking derivatives of some standard functions which are to be discussing in the 11th standard. That is, if y equal to f of x is our function, then derivative is denoted by f dash of x. The first function is a constant function. If you have to take as a given function f of x equal to 1, 5, 9, etc., that means the given function is a constant function, then always the derivative of the given constant function is a 0. Then also we are discussing the 11th standard, that is if the function in the form of x raised to n, then the derivative of the given function is given as n into x raised to n minus 1. Similarly, if the function is 1 upon x, then the derivative is minus 1 upon x square. If the function is root x, then the derivative is given as 1 upon 2 root x. If the given function in the form of a raised to x, that is called even exponential function, then the derivative of the given function is given as a raised to x into log of a. If the given function in the form of e raised to x, then the derivative is same as to be e raised to x. Therefore, here in that function, the function and derivative is same. That is the only function where the function and derivative is same. Also the next one, that is if the given function is the logarithmic form, that is log of x, then the derivative of the given function is given as 1 upon x. Also, if the given function is logarithmic function, that is log of x, but to the base a, that is our stand in the earlier we have taken here the log of x having the base is e, very important. When you have to take the given function in the logarithmic function and if you have to find out the derivative, then always taken the base as to be e. But when the base of the logarithm is changed, that is a, then the derivative of the given function is given as 1 upon a into log of a. Also, we are discussing about the formulas of this trigonometric function, that is sin x having the derivative is cos x, cos x having the derivative is minus sin x, tan x having the derivative is sec square x, sec x having the derivative is sec x into tan x, cosec x having the derivative is minus cosec x cot x, cot x having the derivative is minus cosec square x. These are the important some formulas which are to be discussed. We are also discussing very important rules of the differentiation. That means when you have to find out the derivative of any function, then we have to apply these 4 important rules. If u and v are differentiable functions of x such that if y equal to u plus or minus v, that means if y equal to u plus v or y equal to u minus v, that means when the given function in the form of sum of the two functions, then dy by dx equal to, that is the derivative of y with respect to x is given as du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. That is the derivative of u firstly with respect to x plus derivative of v with respect to x. That is the first rules of the differentiation. Similarly, if the given function y equal to k into u, where k is a constant, then the derivative of the given function y with respect to x is given as the constant k into derivative of u with respect to x. Also, if the given function y equal to u into v, then the dy by dx equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. That means when the given function in the form of product form, that is u into v, u and v are two functions, and if the two functions are given in the form of product form, then the derivative of the given function with respect to x is taken to be, that is first function u into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. That is very important formula which are to be used to find out the derivative in the form of product form. Also the last one, that is if y equal to u upon v, where denominator v is not equal to 0, then the derivative of the given function y with respect to x is given as, that is v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx upon v square. That means if the given function where u is our numerator and v is the denominator, then the derivative of the given function is given as denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square.
These are the some important basic concepts of the derivative. Okay, thank you.